Okay, so welcome back to our English class, everybody. We hope that you enjoyed your morning classes. Were they good? Okay, it's good to be together, even though we're apart. And so here we go. Remember that our class begins at 11:15. Thank you for being on time. Remember that Miss Anderson and I do have office hours if you are wanting us to help you with your assignment. We can also help you with any other assignments that you are having a hard time with. Okay, and so our office hours are at 1. Those of you who are in Avid Excel, please remember to join us at 1:30. We do have 2 people who will present today. And then tomorrow we'll do our LULAC time again. That is tomorrow at 2. Okay, just a reminder, keep your microphones off. Also, we would like to remind you to keep looking at your grades on Infinite Campus. We want you to end strong. It is Q4 and everyone should have excellent grades. Miren sus calificaciones diariamente. Just because you're at home, it doesn't mean that you are excused from the work. Ustedes necesitan asegurarse que están completando todos sus trabajos. Okay, and then we're going to transition into our assignment. Your assignment log should look something like this. Okay, every day we will add to our assignment log, and then we will turn it in on Friday. On Monday, we had an assignment after we read the article that was called Shot Heard Round the Track. And so that's what we have here. We have the date, Monday, April 6th, and then Shot Heard Round the Track. The assignment was to write a paragraph email, and we were supposed to pretend that we were a coach and give a superstar some advice. Okay, so everybody wrote your paragraph right underneath your labeled assignment. Okay, el lunes ustedes tuvieron que haber escrito su tarea en su assignment log. Okay, same thing with yesterday. Yesterday, you should have added onto your assignment log, you added the date, Tuesday, April 7th. We worked on past tense verb sentences in the morning. And then we did an ask your neighbor activity. And those sentences, those ask your neighbor sentences or answers should have been written here. Okay, so now it's Wednesday, April 8th. We're going to add onto our assignment log. Acuérdense que cada día tenemos que ponerle más al assignment log. Le van a poner la fecha y luego qué viene siendo el nombre del artículo o el nombre de la actividad. Okay, so then after you write down the date, this morning we did past tense verb sentences. And so today's activity is going to be after an article that we read called Furball Therapy. So your assignment should look something like this. We are going to work on a grammar lesson first. And so you will add that here. And then whatever the assignment that Schoology asks us, we'll add to that. Are there any questions on your assignment log? Because some of you guys are turning in some of your assignments that same day. Remember that your assignment log will be turned in with your 5 assignments that we give you throughout the week. It'll be turned in on Friday. ¿No hay preguntas sobre su assignment log que van a entregar el viernes? No? Okay, I see no in the chat box. Okay, good. So here we go. Oops, sorry. Here we go with today's grammar lesson. And we're going to begin with pronouns today. Remember that the more we listen, the more we speak, the more we read, the more we write in English, then the better listeners, readers, writers, and speakers will become in English. So then let's practice. Everybody should have their assignment log ready or some paper so that we can practice our writing. But first, somebody remind us, what is a pronoun? ¿Qué viene siendo un pronoun?
A pronoun is replaced noun.
Yes, very good, William. A pronoun replaces the noun. Can somebody else repeat after her? What is a pronoun? Very good. A pronoun replaces a noun. So it takes the place of a person, place, or thing. So if I were to give you the pronoun Maria, what pronoun can we use that replaces Maria?
Her.
Anya, can you say that again?
Her.
Her. Okay, we could use her, the object pronoun her. How about the subject pronoun for Maria?
She.
She. Very good. Okay, what about Maria and Miguel? What pronoun would we use?
Them. He and she.
They.
We would use they or them. Now, someone said he or she. Now, if we want to say them together, Maria and Miguel, we want to say they or them. Okay, what about the word Jose?
He.
He
Very good. He or him.
yes.
What about Castillos?
You.
You, I'm giving you the question. You would say you. What about book?
It.
Yes, good. Things are going to be it. And if you notice, it does not change. It's going to be our subject pronoun and it's going to be our object pronoun. This is an individual question. I'm going to call on somebody. Individual question. Alberto, are you there? Alberto, if I ask you to replace the word dog with a pronoun, what pronoun would you use? Alberto, can you tell us?
It.
It, very good. Animals are also used, we use it for animals, very nice. Another individual question. Let's go with Ana. Ana, ¿sí estás allí? ¿Qué pronombre usaría si la palabra es Susana? Ana, si quiero reemplazar la palabra Susana, ¿qué subject pronoun usaría? ¿O qué object pronoun usaría? Hey, Ana, piénsalo. Ahorita vuelvo a ti. I'm going to come back to Ana. She needs some think time. Let's go with Jerusalem. If the word is house, what pronoun would I use?
It.
Very good, because house is an it. And one more. Let's go with Valerie. If our word is Juan, what pronoun would we use?
He.
He, very good. What other pronoun could we use if we had Juan? Anybody?
Him.
Him, very good. Now remember, subject pronouns come before the verb and object pronouns come after the verb. But let's go back to Ana. Ana, ¿sí estás allí? Ana, hey, necesito que hables, necesito que nos digas qué pronoun usarías si la palabra es Susana. Can you press your mic button?
Explain to her how to get to the bottom of the page, because I'm not sure. Has she been turning her mic on in her other classes?
Yeah. She gets into office hours. Okay, sigue pensando, Ana. Vamos a volver a ti. Okay, we're going to come back to Ana. It sounds like she needs more think time. But let's look at these sentences down here. Actually, everybody, let's go back to our chart and everybody say, subject pronouns come before the verb.
Subject pronoun before the verb.
The verb.
And object pronouns come after the verb. Yes, good. And so we need to make sure that we are using them correctly. So when we want to create a sentence in English, That's what we have to remember if we are using pronouns, that these will come before your verb and these will come after your verb. So let's look at these sentences right here. These are our examples. Thank you, Lasso. And let's read those sentences together. The first one, repeat after me. I listen to him.
I listen to him.
Okay, good. Very nice. Now the second one, we play with them.
We play with him.
Okay. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to create a sentence in your head using a subject pronoun and using an object pronoun. Everybody's creating a sentence in their head. Necesito que compongan una oración en su cabeza. Están aplicando un subject pronoun y están aplicando un object pronoun. Think, think, think.
I don't read now.
We don't want to blurt out our questions right, our sentences right now. Everybody's just thinking about our sentence.
Miss Anna said that she doesn't want to put the microphone. She doesn't want to talk.
Ana, necesitamos una respuesta, por favor. Tu pregunta viene siendo, si la palabra es Susana, ¿qué subject pronoun vamos a usar o qué object pronoun vamos a usar? Sigue pensando porque recuerda que necesitamos una respuesta de ti antes de que nos salgamos de la clase.
¿Ustedes? ¿Mis tíos?
Yes?
¿Sí?
Dime.
¿Sí?
Dime otra vez.
She.
She, very good. Ana gave us the answer, she. Good job, Ana. La palabra que usaríamos, que íbamos a reemplazar para la palabra Susana es she. Very nice, Ana. Good job. Okay, so now has everybody thought of their sentence? Yes. Now I want you to write it down. You're going to write it down in your assignment log or on a sheet of paper. Okay, let's practice our writing skills. Write your sentence down. Escriban su oración. Su oración debe de tener un subject pronoun. Debe de tener un object pronoun. Your sentence should have a subject pronoun. It should also have an object pronoun. Write it down. After you finish, then say it to yourself. So we can see if it makes sense. Does that make sense? Ask yourself, does it make sense? Okay, and then I'm going to call on somebody, so be ready. First, let's have a volunteer share. The rest of us, we want to listen and see if this volunteer has shared their subject pronoun or has shared their sentence correctly. Did they apply the subject pronoun before the verb? And did they apply the object pronoun after the verb? Okay, who would like to volunteer to share with the class?
Me.
Me. Me. I like to play with him.
Let's hear Javier first. Javier, what is your sentence? Would you share with us, please?
I eat tacos with them.
I eat the... I'm not sure if I heard that sentence. What is it that you eat with? Can you say that sentence again?
I eat with them tacos.
I eat tacos with them. I eat tacos with them. Listeners, what do you think? Did he apply his pronouns correctly?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Very good. Okay, how about Irais? Would you share your sentence?
I am working with her.
I am working with her. Good. Listeners, how did she apply her pronouns? Did she apply them well?
Yes.
Yes, perfect.
Nice, Irais. Marco, ¿estás allí? Marco, ¿quieres compartir tu oración con nosotros, por favor?
She working in the class with them.
Hey, she is working in the class with them. Listeners, what do you think? How did Marco do?
Good.
He did very well. Good job. Y Eduardo, ¿qué oración tienes?